Hey, Alex.
Uh-huh.
I've got the hiccups. Can you scare me later or something?
Yeah. Sure, bro. No problem.
Okay, cool. See you later, bro.
Yeah. Later, bro.
Get up! Oh my god. What's going on? Hey! Hello? Is anyone there? Hello?
Whoa.
What's going on?
Whoa, what the crap?
Hello, everyone. I
What's
want to play
happening?
a game.
Who
Huh?
are you?
Until now, you've all
Wait.
simply watched as those around you played their role
Alex.
in society.
What?
You've all simply watched as those around
Alex,
you have played their
I can
role
tell it's
in
you.
society. I don't know who this
Alex is, bro. But, no more interruptions, okay?
Alex,
You've all simply
dude,
watched
just stop.
as those around
This is
you.
pointless.
Oh, yeah?
Well, these timers
No,
are rigged to
I'm
this
not
machine
scared.
in front of you.
This is never gonna work.
Oh, fuck. Well, this was a whole lot of work for nothing.
I didn't even get to demonstrate it.
Well, hey man, you gave it a good shot. Like, seriously, I mean, look at this place. You really went all out.
Oh, yeah, I know. I sunk like 40 grand into this shit.
Yeesh.
Yup. I literally have no money left.
Excuse me? I haven't been paid yet.
Wait!
Bro, you spent $40,000 just to help me?
Well, yeah. I mean, you're my bro.
Dang, bro. That's the kindest thing any bro has ever done for me.
Hey, bro. You know, it was really nothing. Don't mention it.
No. Straight up, bro. You're the realest.
Thanks, fam.
Alex. Bro, I don't have the hiccups anymore.
Yay! So you were scared after all. Nice.
But I wasn't, though. Alex! Do you know what this means?
No.
It means that the cure to hiccups isn't fear.
It's love.
Oh.
About my payment. Check later. How does this work? Hey, sorry, I'm sorry. Hey, sorry.